In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can permanently delete your Twitter account. So if you don't want to use Twitter and you want to delete it permanently, here is exactly how you can do that. Just follow these simple steps and you will be able to delete your Twitter account permanently. Now, all you have to do, guys, of course, is to open your Twitter account. Now, after you open your Twitter account, guys, you want to click, I'm sorry, I'm just going to click continue. Okay, I'm going to delete this. Yeah, after you open, guys, your Twitter account, as you can see, this is Elon Musk. You want to click on your profile picture in the top left. Now, after that, guys, you want to scroll down a little bit and click on settings and support. Scroll down a little bit and click on settings and privacy. Now, a few different options will come up here. In the top, you can see here your account. Click on your account. And then at the very bottom, you can see deactivate your account. Don't worry, you will delete your account. Just click on it. Now, after that, you have to read this. Okay, before you can click delete, you have to read this. It says here, you can restore your Twitter account if it was accidentally or wrongly deactivated for up to 30 days after deactivation. This means that if you click on deactivate, because Twitter doesn't have delete option where you can click delete and then boom, the Twitter account will be deleted permanently. This like the same thing, all the platforms do the same thing, like Instagram, Facebook, they all do the same thing, like they want to get you back to their platform. Now, if you click deactivate and you don't use your account for 30 days, then your account will be permanently deleted, as you can see. But of course, the moment you click on deactivate, all your tweets, everything you do on your Twitter will disappear and people won't be able to search you on Twitter, to look for you on Twitter. Now, what you want to do, guys, you want to read this, okay? After you read this, you want to click on deactivate. Now, you will have to enter here the password. After that, guys, you want to click on deactivate at the very bottom right. Now, the moment you click, guys, on deactivate, then your account will be deactivated. Everything will disappear, but don't use your account for 30 days. Don't try to log into your account for 30 days. After 30 days, try to log in. It won't allow you to log in because your account will be deleted permanently after 30 days. Hopefully, this video, guys, helped you. If it does, leave a like, subscribe. Let me know in the comments if this works.